Here I've got Huawei Honor 9X, and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings. Now find and pick apps. Here go to the all apps. And now select more icon. The last possibility here is to reset app preferences, so if you truly want to do it, just mark it. And then confirm that you really want to reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default application for actions, background data restriction for apps, and any other permission restrictions by tapping on reset. And that's it, you've just reset app preferences. Congrats! Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.